Hello, welcome to our channel. We are the BS Education major in English. Today, we will tackle about the different types of adjectives. But first, let's define what is an adjective. Adjectives are words that modifies nouns, pronouns, and other adjectives. For example, in the sentence, Anne is beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective because it modifies the word "and", which is a noun. And now, let's proceed to the different types of adjectives. The article, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, quantitative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, descriptive adjectives, and the distributive adjectives.
The first type is article. Articles are used to describe which noun you're referring to. There are three articles such as the and the. Okay, definite article the. Use the before singular or plural noun when the noun is specific. For example, the elephant is big. So the article here is the because the elephant, which is singular noun, is specific. Let's proceed to indefinite article a or an. A when it follows a consonant sound, while an when it follows a vowel sound. Like for example, I want to buy a new car. So the article is a because it follows the consonant sound, which is in. Then the second one is an elephant can weigh over 6,000 pounds. So the article here is an because it follows by a vowel sound.
Next is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives describe the noun or pronoun you are referring to. These adjectives include the word this, that, those, and these. For example, this bike is mine. In this sentence, the demonstrative adjective is this, which describes the noun bike.
Next is descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Words like beautiful, tall, annoying, cute, and nice. Example, the cat is cute. So the descriptive adjective here is cute, which describes the noun cat. So the other types of adjectives is distributive adjectives, which describe specific members out of the group. These adjectives are used to single out one or more individual items. And the most common adjectives includes each, every, either, neither, and any. So example, every rose has its thorn. So the distributive adjectives here is every. And the noun is rose, which every modifies the noun, which is rose.
So the other types of adjective is quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective is modifies noun by indicating a number or quantity of things. It is also a words that are countable to describe things. For example, some, much, little, many, and whole. Quantitative adjective used in a sentence. Tin has many pens in her bag. Our quantitative adjective in a sentence is many because it modifies pen, which is many. So the next types of adjective is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective used noun to ask questions. These always follow a noun or a pronoun. For example, which, what, and whose. Interrogative adjectives used in a sentence. Which assignment are you working on? So our interrogative adjective in a sentence is which.
And there you have it. I hope you learned a lot in our discussion for today, the different types of adjectives. To watch more videos, just subscribe in our YouTube channel.
Thank you! God bless!
Bye!